Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Julio, I'm going to tell you right now, go tell everybody where the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Because, folks, I've got something for you that's going to blow your mind, and I'm serious. We usually don't take reviews, but when we get a tool that's mind-blowing, we have to share it with you. So if you want one of these, you better go get it. And if there's discounts, you're going to get them when we do a video for a company. Now, they could have not paid us to do this tool, but they did, and it's amazing, and you're going to be blown away with what this thing will do. Ladies, you need one of these in your glove box. It's a power source and an air compressor. You see the size of this bugger right here, and you see the size of this thing. Fantic did it again, and we want to share this with you. We're really excited about this. We don't really get excited about tools because we've got millions of them, it seems. So let's get cracking, stacking, and making it happen. All right, now what you can do with this is a power source. It is probably, of all of these miniature air compressors out there on the market today, this one is the most powerful. It'll do 150 pounds. We're going to show you some really cool stuff. Stick around. I can't say enough about this thing. It's just fantastic, and they make one of the best jump starters as well. And all these tools that I'm sharing with you will be in the list that Julio told you where it's at, okay? So first off, what we're going to do is we're going to let all the air out of this Cadillac wheel right here. Consuelo doing the video, which is Julio's sisters, nieces, aunts, cousins, fiance, cousin's brother, sister. Oh, here it is again. Julio, tell them.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Because you want to go get one of these now. Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Reddington, Festus. That's what he's added in now. So he's got names like crazy. So we're going to take our valve stem removal tool. Handiest little tool around. Second handiest. Why this tool is so handy is this right here. All we have to do is hold the button down. It turns on. You can set it for any type of bicycle wheels. You can do it even on this little scooter here. Why would you want to get your air compressor out like the pancake air compressor that I shared with you when you have a say that you have a wheelbarrow that's gone flat out in your yard, or your tractor tire and you're out in your yard and it went flat? You take this out there, air it up in minutes, it seems like, and you don't have to monkey around with trying to get the project up to your air compressor line. You can just take this out there, hook it on, and pump it up. Now it also, as I said, is a power source so that you can charge your iPhone or any of that. So it holds a charge for a long time. And the other part of it is you can take your power source, if you have another power source, and say that you've been using this, and you didn't recharge it, you can plug your power source into it to charge this, give it power so you can use it. A lot of versatility. So we're going to come over here and say you want to go to the beach, right? You want to go to the beach and you want to air up your air stuff at the beach, your floaties. So we're going to set this, they say 6 to 8 pounds on one of these. So we're going to do minus on this. We're going to do 8 pounds. Watch what happens. Actually, we'll do 6 pounds. It shuts off, and it's at exactly 8 pounds. This will do bar pressure, and it will do PSI. Now, it does have a light on it, an LED light. So if you need lighting, when you're hooking this on, you hook it on, turn on the light. Now let's go air this Cadillac up. We want about 2.20 bar, which is about 32 pounds roughly. And the directions are really good. You'll figure it out. It's not that hard. If none of the icons are showing up here, then you can punch in whatever PSI you want. So we want 32 pounds on that. And it has a Schrader valve adapter as well. And hit. Chances your tire will be completely flat like this one is. And I even did it without putting the valve stem back in it. The valve back into the valve stem. It's at 14 pounds already. And it's lifting the whole weight of the car by airing that tire up. Still fully charged. Not hot at all. The airline's a little bit warm, but and it shuts off on its own. It's reading that it's at 33 pounds. Now we'll go inside and check the left driver's side on the tire inflator area of the circumference shaft. You know what I mean. All right. See that? I don't know if you can see it. £32 right there. Exactly what we put in it. Now let's see how much battery we have left here. With the light on and the battery still at 3/4 full, we're at 33 pounds. Now to turn it off, you hold the button down long term. In the video, there'll be charts so that you can see if you want to do the air pressure in bar versus PSI. And it is so hot out here in Pensacola, I'm telling you, it is pool time. Again, I'm wearing my Aquaman suit, getting ready to jump in. But you need one of these, I can't tell you that enough. And we don't get that excited about stuff because I can take this, keep it anywhere. My wife can take it over if she's on the tractor and it's running low on air, and reads the air pressure on the tire, punches it in, 12 pounds, whatever it's got to be, boom, done. Take it off, and you're good to go. It's that simple. GoPro, stop recording.